Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the TTRacing Swift X 2020 gaming chair. As a designer, having a comfortable and ergonomic chair is essential for the long working hours, and I have to say, this chair has exceeded my expectations. The chair comes with everything you need to put it together, including all the necessary parts, so let's get started. Start bringing out all the parts and the components on a flat surface. Check that you have everything you need before you begin. Attach the gas leaf to the base. This should be just locked on the clip into the place. Attach a caster to the base of the chair. The caster should be just a click into the place and be able to swivel freely. Attach the armrest to the seat mechanism. This should just slide into the place and clip the securely. When tightening screws, it's important to use a close or a star pattern to ensure even the distribution of the pressure and prevent damage to the screw or the project being secured. Attach a seat mechanism to the bottom of the chair. This should be the straightforward and just require a few screws. First off, let's talk about the design. TTRacing Swift X 2020 has a sleek and modern look that's sure to catch your eye. It's available in the range of the color to suit your personal style, and the high quality material used in the construction premium feels. The chair is also designed to be adjustable with a multiple setting for the armrest, lumbar support, and the headset. When it comes to comfort, the TTRacing Swift X 2020 doesn't disappoint. The chair is made with a high-intensity foam padding that provides excellent cushioning, and the backrest is a control with the fitted shape of your spine. This means you can sit for the hours without feeling the fatigue and uncomfortable, even during the intensive gaming session. In terms of the functionality, the TTRacing Swift X 2020 has a range of the features that makes a great choice for the gamers. The armrest is adjustable in terms of the height, so you can find the perfect position to support your arm and prevent strain. The chair also has a recline function, allowing me to adjust the angle and the backrest to suit your needs. The base is made by the durable aluminum and comes with a smooth rolling caster, making it easy to move the chair around. However, after a few months of use, I started experiencing some of the issues with the chair. A strange noise began to occur in the mechanisms. It became clear and where was a defect in the chair. Thankfully, customer service team at TTRacing were extremely helpful. The only downside was I had to pay the $10 delivery fee, but overall I was very impressed with the level of the servicing I received. Overall, I still think the TTRacing Swift X 2020 is an excellent choice for everyone who spends a lot of time on gaming or working from home. While I did some of the issue with the chair, the customer service team was able to help me out quickly and efficiently. The chair is comfortable, adjustable, and functional, with a range of features that makes it ideal for the long period of the sitting. Thanks for the watching, and see you in the next video.